Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding the scoundrel, the fugitive.
Ma'am Carclea, I want to ask your opinion about this. One of the prominent lawyers at naging election lawyer na rin po ng mga prominenteng politiko before, si Attorney Romulo Macalintal. One of his opinions about this, ang sabi niya dito, kung totoo na pinapawalang bisa ng COMELEC ang issue sa SOSE ni Senator Marcoleta, ang sabi niya po dito, if Marcoleta is not covered by the law because he was not yet a candidate at the time of receipt, then it is only logical that the law should also benefit the donors. What is sauce for the goose should be the sauce for the gander. In short, what is sauce for Marcoleta should be sauce for his donors.
It makes sense, which means even though the COMELEC said file cases against the donors, most likely these donors are not going to be harmed by anything. Yung sinabi nila, ay, filean ng kaso sila Mike Defensor, that's bullshit. Alam mo ba, may mangyayari dyan sa mga dyan, yung mga sinasabihan nilang pag-filean. Walang mangyayari dyan. Alam nyo na lang yan. So, I think this just means, in fairness to the COMELEC, they have said time and again, there's a lot of things that need to be changed in the election laws. Pero, that being said, I still think that they got pressured by Iglesia ni China.
Oo, oo nga, hindi China, si, hindi T.
Correct.
Okay. Ma'am, ano po tingin ninyo? So, because of this situation, can you say that transparency in COMELEC parang nawala na siya because of this?
I really don't trust the COMELEC. First, with what happened with Queso de Bola. How can voters trust election transparency after this? Trust is strained because the public expects transparency about all campaign money. Kahit ba sabihin ang aking maraming kaibigan, Chinese man yun o kahit na sabihin pa niya kung kailan yun binigay, that was intended for his campaign. Kung transparency yun, lahat ng pera that was intended for his campaign should be declared. Paano kung sabihin ng COMELEC, ay exempted yun? Parang may regla, hindi ka na pwedeng sumali sa PE. Hindi yan ganun. The law.
And also, people don't understand that Marcoleta is also an attorney. So, he know what he is doing before he even get the money. Na alam niya pa pag-uusapan ito from the very start. So, hindi niya po pwedeng sabihin na hindi niya alam. What for you to explain na yung receipt ng pera is before the period na hindi ka na dapat kumuha ng pera, that the point of the matter na alam mo kung paano mo lulusutan from the very start kasi kaya mo pa ipalawa.
Exactly. So, this ruling highlights the gap between public expectation and legal reality because we were expecting a slam dunk case. Akala natin, boom! Talagang mapapako na itong buwisit na chinador na to. Yung pala, yung ini-expect natin, hindi pala mangyayari. The legal reality is nakalusot si Peluca Sr.
Pero
Yun.
alam